Quiet on set. Action.
Today is so busy. I have ASB drama club and then a soccer game.
I have gardening club, a volleyball tournament, and then my history test tomorrow.
I'm not good at anything like that. I'm just going home.
Oh my god.
"15 out of 15, and I didn't even study."
Ugh, 13 out of 15. It could be better.
I don't think you want to know what I got. I'd rather just keep it private.
Come on, Zach absolutely failed, right?
Yeah, no. I'm not smart like you two. Only got 3 out of 15.
Everyone, we're having a baking competition this year. If any of you join, you'll get an extra 2 points. If any of you win, you'll get an extra 10. I've tried your cookies. They're really good.
They're not that good.
You're failing my class. Take advantage of this. If you don't win, you'll fail.
I'm not good at anything. I don't want to fail though. I need to win. No, I want to win. This is gonna take some time. Oh my god, what have I done? I knew I wasn't good enough. Cookies. I tried to make some cupcakes, but I messed them up as usual. So this is my grandma's shiny cookie recipe. What do you think? These cookies are...
Honestly, they look kind of basic. I can't believe she answered to begin with. The cookies are basic.
There's a reason she doesn't do much.
Maybe they have a point. Maybe I shouldn't do this at all. I'm not good at anything. Is that Jane? What are you doing here? I didn't know you entered.
Well, it didn't sound hard, so I entered.
May we please have Jay Sanchez up to the podium, please?
Good luck.
Yeah, thanks.
Wow, this is really great.
Oh my, the presentation is amazing. This is gonna be a tough act to follow.
Really good.
Thank you. I like to think I'm the best at baking.
May we please have Kaylee Mendez up to the podium, please?
These are my grandma's shiny chip cookies from her secret recipe.
These are actually delicious.
The amount of sweetness and saltiness complement each other perfectly. What's the secret ingredient?
All these contestants today have brought in new recipes that have been amazing to look at, but nothing quite as impressive as these. They may appear plain, but the flavor is incredible.
The choices this year were really hard. Our two contestants are Jane Sanchez and Kaylee Mendez. Now, we would like to announce this winner of this year's Bake Off, Kaylee Madness!
I want to say thank you. This experience really taught me that I shouldn't doubt myself as much. I'm good enough just as I am. I have some cookies. Do you guys want to try some?